After crushing the rebellion at Evesham, Prince Edward emerged as England's most feared warrior. When he became king in 1272, Edward III set out to restore royal power everywhere, in Wales, in Ireland, and most famously, in Scotland. Castle by castle, Edward advanced north, building fortresses and demanding loyalty from rival kings. In 1296, he invaded Scotland outright, smashing resistance and seizing the sacred stone of destiny. To many English, he was a strong ruler bringing order. To the Scots, he became something else entirely, the Hammer of the Scots. But conquest breeds resistance, and new rebels were already rising. Edward had won battles, yet the war for Scotland was only beginning. Battlefield Legends, where victory plants the seeds of the next war. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.